Splash was a little toy sailboat who lived in a big, beautiful pond. He loved the feeling of the water, but he only ever stayed in the calm, shallow part near the shore where the water was as still as glass. He would watch the other toy boats, with their tall white sails, gliding into the center of the pond. They would dance and bob on the big, rolling waves, and their laughter echoed across the water. Splash wanted to join them, but he was afraid. The waves looked too big, too wobbly, and too scary. A wise old duck named Quackers noticed the sad little boat. He paddled over and asked, "Why do you stay here, little one?" Splash explained he was afraid of the big waves. The duck smiled kindly and said, "But the waves are part of the adventure. They're what lift your sails and make the journey exciting. You will never know the fun of sailing if you only stay where it is calm." Taking a deep breath, Splash pushed off from the shore. A gentle wave lifted him up, and instead of being scary, it felt like a fun ride. He sailed out to meet his friends, his sail full and his heart happy, finally enjoying the wonderful dance of the water. Moral: true joy and adventure are often found just on the other side of your fears.